Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ethiopian Tradition YouTube channel. On this channel, I will take you on an exciting journey through Ethiopia's cultural treasures. This is more than just a channel. It's a space for all of us, Ethiopians and lovers of Ethiopian culture alike, to connect, learn, and share Ethiopian tradition languages, music, and dances with respective religion. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this journey with others. Together, let's preserve and celebrate Ethiopia's incredible traditions for generations to come. Thank you, and let's get started.
Today, we're taking you into the heart of Ethiopia to explore one of the most colorful, joyful, and deeply meaningful festivals celebrated in the country, Ashenda. Ashenda is not just a festival, it is a living tradition. It is mainly celebrated in the northern parts of Ethiopia, especially in the regions of Tigray and Amhara. Every year, around late August, communities come together for this breathtaking celebration that combines music, dance, spirituality, and the powerful expression of culture. But what makes Ashenda truly special? At its core, Ashenda is a festival of women and girls. It is one of the very few festivals in the world where young women take the central role, expressing themselves freely and proudly. During Ashenda, girls wear beautifully embroidered white dresses, decorated with vibrant colors, traditional jewelry, and hairstyles that carry centuries of tradition. Just by looking at them, you can feel the pride of heritage shining through. The celebration itself is filled with energy. Groups of girls gather together, singing traditional songs, clapping, and dancing as they move from house to house. Their voices fill the air with joy, while drums and hand claps create rhythms that make everyone want to join in. Families welcome them with gifts, sometimes money, food, or even special clothing, but more importantly, with blessings and appreciation. What's fascinating about Ashenda is that it is more than entertainment. It carries cultural, social, and spiritual importance. Spiritually, Ashenda is connected to the Assumption of the Virgin Mary. The timing of the festival is tied to this religious holiday, which makes Ashenda both a cultural expression and a religious observance. Many see it as a way of giving thanks and celebrating purity, hope, and blessings. Culturally, Ashenda represents freedom and empowerment. For young women, it is a time to come together and express themselves without fear. In a society where traditions sometimes limit voices, Ashenda gives them a platform to sing boldly, speak proudly, and shine brightly. It is no wonder that many describe Ashenda as a festival of women's freedom. Socially, Ashenda strengthens community bonds. It brings people together, elders, parents, children, and visitors. It is a time of generosity, where giving and receiving become a symbol of love and unity. No one is left behind. Everyone feels the joy, the togetherness, and the pride of being part of something bigger than themselves. For visitors and tourists, Ashenda is a feast for the eyes and ears. Imagine the colorful dresses flowing in the wind, the sound of drums echoing through the streets, the laughter of children running around, and the powerful voices of women singing traditional songs. It is a true cultural experience that cannot be forgotten.
Right, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful, entertaining. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.